Hi everyone, I'm Eddie. This is E&S Computers, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do an install of Windows 11 on a new hard drive. This is a new build that we've done for a customer. Now in the video I say about a HDMI capture device. I couldn't get one at that stage from a supplier, but now they've got one in and we sell these Sandberg HDMI capture link to USB, and in future videos I'm also going to be using this, the HDMI splitter, so I can see it on a bigger screen and not just in the capture software. So hope you enjoy the video. Please click like and subscribe, and yeah, see you later. Bye. So here goes. So we're going to boot the computer. We've got the USB flash drive with the install of Windows 11 in the front of the case. So next, install. Right, I'm going to say I don't have a product key here. And it is Windows 11 Home. And accept Microsoft software license terms, and we're going to choose create install. Right, so here you can see the drive. It's a 1 terabyte. New, apply. Okay, so it's going to create recovery partitions and that. So we're going to say next, because the biggest partition is selected. Alright, so that I left that just so you can see how long it actually takes. I'm going to click restart now.
These installations now don't take as long as the old days with installing Windows 98 from several floppy disks, or even a DVD or CD drive. Right, so that's gone through. Right, so we're going to choose United Kingdom for the language and United Kingdom for the keyboard, and we're going to say skip on that. Now in this bit we don't want to set it up with a Microsoft account, so what I'm going to do is you hold down Shift and press F10 and type TASKMGR, and that brings up the task manager. And then we're going to more, and we want to look for network connection flow. Click on that and choose end task. And we can close that and close the command prompt, and I'm just going to call it user and say next. I'm not going to set a password. Next. Now I always choose the bottom on this. It's entirely up to you on your, but some of these it will ask you to sign in with a Microsoft account to do this. Now this is it's an AMD Ryzen 3 4100. We did have to flash this board. You might have seen a previous video on that, to make it compatible with this new chip. Right, and we're there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move the start button over to the left hand side. So right click on the taskbar, taskbar settings, and then you want taskbar behavior. Click center and change it to left, and that is done. Right, so now I want to install the drivers, and this hasn't got a DVD drive, but I've got an external one that I've plugged in, and this has got the DVD that came with the motherboard. No. So now that's now I'm going to click on that, and we want to run that. I'm going to untick these two and go to drivers and support, sorry, drivers and software, and then going to install the chip set. If we right click on start and go to device manager, now you can see that's the USB 2 wireless, which I've also got plugged in. Right, close that. Right, and I'm gonna install all them, so you'll see them go, and then the last thing to do will be to install the Wi-Fi. So Windows 11 is basically like Windows 10. There's a few tweaks on it. Right, so we're going to click restart now. This little gadget, I like it because now it saves pointing the camera at the screen and trying to capture it. So hope you think my videos are getting better. And that's about it. Okay, hope you enjoyed this. Please click like and subscribe, and yeah, look out for any more videos we've got coming. Take care, have a good day, goodbye.